Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video you guys will see me bleach my hair again. I went full I was going platinum. It's really bright outside the camera. It looked like really blonde on the camera, but it's very much white in like the light out here where I'm at. So I hope you guys like it. You will see the full process. I did it again. I'll talk about it up in the video a little bit, but I don't think I talked about it that much. But anyways, I bleached it like last week, and I did it twice, and it went really yellow, really blonde, gold. And I said I was gonna bleach it again before school, but I ended up bleaching it now because I wanted something different, and I really just wanted my hair really bright. So I'm definitely obsessed with this color, and I ended up having to bleach it twice. So I bleached my hair twice to get this color. So I hope you guys like it, and let's get on to the video. And by the way, last video the next video you'll see the full tutorial of this look right here, guys. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into the video now. So I already greased my hair, y'all. I am ready to bleach my hair. Last time I bleached it, I did it twice to go from black to this fully blonde. And my roots are already growing out. This is crazy. It's only been like a week. But I got my third batch. This is the third time I'm doing it. Not today. Last time I did it twice. First time today. So I have my bleaching here. I'm using the 20 developer. I used 30 last time. And now we are going to bleach. So this process took no time, y'all. It's surprisingly, I had gloves this time because I used a bag last time because I didn't have any gloves. So it only took me like 6 minutes to actually put the bleach on my head. Thank God for short hair. Short hair rules because long hair takes so long to bleach. So yeah, this took no time. I put this stuff everywhere, y'all. And then y'all will see what it looked like after I got through washing it and I had to bleach it again. So this is what it looks like, guys, after I'm done. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so white and blonde. Like, it's like what's the color? I would say like blonde, but white blonde. I have to say white blonde because it's really white, like without the camera, is perfect. So this is what I was going for. I was really trying to get it bright, and I'm so happy it's not like yellow, even though my mom just said it was really blonde and like that stuff was yellow, but like golden yellow. But I really like this. So this is what it looks like. And at the beginning of the video, y'all will see how it looked like with makeup and everything, because the reason I said makeup because I'm doing a look after this. So, and I'm going to be doing the next video. The next video I upload is going to be a video that tutorial. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Let me turn it around for you guys. That's what it looks like in the back. I love this. I was gonna like cut my hair if I need to cut it, but we get it. I'm gonna just like fix this, and then you can see the curl pad. Like, this is my natural curls. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I had to bleach it again because the second time it wasn't as white as bright as I wanted it. So I bleached it again with the 20 developer and left it on for another 35 minutes. So I'm definitely pleased, and ignore my scar. I got this when I burnt myself hot combing my head, y'all. And for some reason, it just won't go away. So I'm gonna have to put the shea butter on that stuff or something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.